This is OneLink app. So we're going to start with creating a new account. Let's put the name. The email address. You can put the company name, but that's optional. You can put the URL of the company. And then you can put your password. I'm going to put a generic password for the video, but obviously you have to consider the security of your password. Then you save. And then you have some important information. You will receive an email. This email will allow you to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, you're ready to go. But in the meantime, we let you go and pick the plan. Once you pick your plan, for example, I'm gonna pick OneLink for my app and game. I'm gonna pick subscribe. It's a subscription, a monthly subscription. So once I purchase a subscription, I'm good to go. All right, so once the purchase is complete, let's create a new link. Let's make a link for an existing app that we currently have on the stores that are in the multiple places. So I'm gonna call this Prime Memory. So this is gonna be the name of your app, and it's also the folder of your link. That means that you will be able to share this with your customers. So to get the links, obviously you will have them somewhere. Make sure that you have it handy. I'm gonna copy this from our existing website. So it's easier that way. So I'm gonna go to memory games here, and I'm gonna pick the Prime Memory that are in multiple places, multiple stores. So in this case, it's gonna be this Prime Memory game. So we have it available on the Google App Store, Google Play, and Amazon App Store. So I'm gonna copy the link from here. Of course, you need to have those links available before you do this. I'm gonna paste it here. Right, and I'm gonna change the slot. Once I change the slot and the link is good to go, it will show green. So now I'm gonna paste the other link. I'm gonna paste Amazon now. And now I'm gonna put a Google Play Store in the other slot. So as you can see, the URL has to be like this. You need to have your ID, your app ID in there for the Google Play. For the Amazon, you need to have the full URL of your app. And from Apple App Store, you need to have the full URL. You have to make sure that in your URL is a generic one. Why? Because that will help you to redirect customers all over the world to your app on the App Store. If you have something like CA or US or a specific country on the URL, that essentially will stop the URL to work. So you have to make sure that the format is like this. So apps.apple.com/app/, then is the name of your app and then the ID. So once it's done, and then you put the fallback link, you click OK, and you're ready to go. You just press save, and that's it. In this case, because this app already exists on the, one link, it won't let it go. So let me show you that. Click save. It says this app name already exists. That means that no one else will be able to have your one link. Your one link is a unique URL for your app or your game. So in this case, let's put, okay, this is going to be Prime Memory 2. This is just an example. So when I click save, now the app is ready for review. We will receive a notification. Our IA system will review the information that you provided, verify that all the links are correct, and then you are the owner of your game or your app, and after that will be approved. Once it is approved, you will see this yellow icon turning into green. Also, make sure that you receive your notifications and make sure that you have confirmed your account in order to continue. If your account is not confirmed, your links won't be approved. So these links won't be approved until you confirm your account. Once you confirm your account, you will receive an email. Make sure that it's not in the spam folder, and you're good to go. Normally it takes a few hours or less to get your links approved. Once the links is approved, you can use it. How to use their links is really simple. So once you have that, you can use, for example, so once I click that, it will redirect me to the store because the device is an Android device, it will send me there. If it is an iPhone, it will send me to the App Store. And if it is Amazon Kindle, it will send me to the proper listing. So that's part of the configuration you have done. Congratulations. Now you know how to build a universal link for your app and game. Thank you.